how to fix Facebook menu isn't available. In today's video guys, I will show you the great and the easiest way how to fix this on your Facebook. Just follow me till the end in this video. So let's start. So first go and open the settings of your device, then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open the Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, then you have to back. Click on force stop now, and what you should do right now guys, you have to restart your phone after this. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.